My name is Daniel Ogera, an employee from the institution. We have been patient enough for the last 5 months, working without any salaries in our banks. We are in an hyper-financial situation as we speak now. We are the guys who are providing for our members at home, but we are not able to say that we don't have any money.
My name is Amos Okitwi. I'm a nurse. So we wonder, if this man is not with us, where is it? It is not with us. It is not there. Where is it, surely? For God's sake, surely. We have said it today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, even at night. We even went for Christmas without anything.
5 months is for the medical staff. The casual workers, they have not been paid for almost 10 months. So that is really creating a toll on us and demeaning our spirit, our morale ya kufanya kazi. So our aim is just to talk to our hospital board and the county, because we are a mission hospital, we are not a private entity, to just come and listen to us and find a solution to our grievances. And another thing, we are not just advocating for our salaries as much as we need to take care of our families. We lack essential service, we lack essential supplies and infrastructures. Sometimes patients come to us and we are not able to provide them with the necessary services because we lack drugs.
So we want to say we are sorry for that occurrence. Lakini sio kwamba ni hospitali necessitate kunyinyi kuwa katika hiyo situation. Kwa sababu hata sisi tunasukuma wale ambao wanatakana watupatie pesa ndio tuweze kuwalipa the NHIF. So we need to tell you that that's where the problem is, lakini we want to assure you that we want to work on it kwa sababu we have received your grievances officially.